Hi, good afternoon. This is Tom with TMP Group. Today is Thursday. It is the 4th day of November. Market just closed, and I'm here in Arizona. Hope everybody had a good day in the market. I know that my portfolio is mixed, a lot of red, a lot of green. Closed slightly up overall, so not too sad about that. But we definitely had some action today in some of the stocks that I posted a video on yesterday, and I wanted to follow up on that. Before we jump into that, remember this video is for entertainment purposes only, and I'm not a financial advisor. Definitely do your own due diligence. Don't trust any YouTuber out there or just take their word for it. Do your own due diligence. For the most part, most of us are just trying to help everybody out. And sometimes we're right and sometimes we're wrong, and that's just the way that the market goes. So let's just jump right into it. Yesterday I posted a video on 3 gaming stocks, online gaming stocks in the online sportsbook arena, specifically Penn National, DraftKings, and RSI, which is Rush Street Interactive. Wanted to jump in right before earnings to kind of see what was going to happen. Respectfully, Penn National reported earnings today. DraftKings reports earnings tomorrow, pre-market, and then Rush Street Interactive, that reports earnings on Wednesday, the 10th of November. So I was hoping we'd get an idea of where the market was and what the market felt about the overall industry, with Penn being the first to report. And unfortunately, they reported today and they missed their earnings. They were expected to come in right around 89 cents a share. They came in at 53 cents a share. So it was a miss on their earnings. And the stock is down over 20% today off of earnings. And it's also down on the earnings miss and the allegations of some misconduct against the Barstool company founder, David Portnoy. Again, they're allegations, and allegations being the key word, allegedly does not mean that it's true. So hopefully he can clear that up and clear his name, and we can move forward. But jumping into Penn, Penn closed today, like I said, about 20% down, which gives us a buying opportunity if we're long-term traders or long-term holders, which I am. I consider long-term anything over a year to 5 years. That's my time horizon, and then readjustment. I was able to buy Penn on the dip today, bought it for around $58. And I see nothing but good moving forward out of Penn, especially at a 20% discount. It was screaming buy, buy, buy today. Tomorrow DraftKings will report. I was able to pick up a few extra shares of DraftKings today. DraftKings is down about 5% on the day, and I bought in today at right around $44. I've said it before, I like DraftKings anywhere between under $50, even under $60, because I do have a price target at the end of the year that DraftKings will be somewhere between $50 and $60. So anything I believe under 60 is a good buy for long-term holding. I think it's a steal under 50, and just dig in with both hands on DraftKings. That's what I'm doing. Again, that's for me. You do your own due diligence and find out yourself. But DraftKings will report tomorrow pre-market. I'm expecting DraftKings to have a good earnings report. Not sure if they'll hit or miss on their earnings, but what I'm looking forward to is to see their subscriber base and how their subscriber base has grown. I'm here in Arizona. Sports gaming just became legal this year, and so I know that there's a lot of different people that have been using the app, that have signed up on the app, and that use it every single day. In fact, I'll probably use it tonight in the Colts-Jets game. So that's DraftKings. We'll wait and see what happens tomorrow. And then RSI, which is the smaller of the 3 companies, Rush Street Interactive. It closed up around 7% down today. And I was able to scoop up some shares around just under $20. Looking forward to the earnings report that comes out on the 10th, Wednesday. And Rush Street, I see serious upside in Rush Street. I also see that as a candidate for a takeover or a buyout by a larger company. So we'll have to wait and see. I'm very bullish on Penn. Again, down 20%. I see it as a buy. RSI down 7%. I also see that as a buy. And of course, DraftKings. I love DraftKings. I believe they are the king, and they will emerge as best in breed. All three of these are long-term holds for me. I do not swing trade these stocks. I'm investing in these stocks, and my exit strategy, I won't even look at it until we get to closer to 2025. I do want to reiterate that Penn is down not only because they missed on their earnings, but there were serious allegations against Dave Portnoy, who is the founder of Barstool Sports. And once again, I know he came out with a statement. If you know Dave Portnoy, he just kind of says it as it is. He was very upfront. There were two different instances, and he addressed both of them. But I guess we'll have to wait and see. Wait and see. Again, allegations are the key word, and allegedly does not mean that it's true. I don't know where you're watching this, but here in the United States, you are innocent until proven guilty. And unfortunately, when people get success and high power, then their past kind of catches up with them, and people start to make false claims. So I choose to believe that everything's going to be okay with Penn. Again, I reiterate a buy on Penn, especially down below $60 with a 20% drop today. It gives us a lot of runway. Super excited about DraftKings. I know a lot of you that are watching this are excited about DraftKings as well. Tons of upside with DraftKings. Okay, there are two other stocks that I did. I'm going to throw into this video kind of as bonus. I thought that maybe if I bought them on the dip then and added to positions, one I have a position in already, which is PayPal. The other one I started a new position, which was Zillow. So just real quick, PayPal ended the day down 5%. And I was able to scoop up some shares there around 226. So I like that. I see PayPal, it's off of its highs of over 300. And I believe that it's going to get right back up there in a very short period of time. Again, PayPal is a long-term hold for me. It trades on a ticker PYPL, PayPal. And then the second one that I looked at yesterday based off of its decline was Zillow. Now, if you remember, Zillow's down 30% on the week. It closed today right around $68, $69. I was able to buy it for $68.54. This is a stock that was trading well over $100. And we need to take a look at the stocks which have fallen from grace, do our due diligence on the company, find out what the problem, if you would, to use the word problem, was. Fundamentally, Zillow is a sound company. It has good revenue, it has good cash flow, it's in a good position. It did take a loss on its quote-unquote house flipping business, and it got out of that completely. And I think that's a good thing. Every once in a while, it's got to shed its skin. It's got to get a little bit lighter, meaner, and leaner. And I see Zillow, ticker ZG, with plenty of runway. It closed up 2.5% today. I would expect that the trend continues to go up and that we fill in the gap. Last thing I want to hit on, you guys, is Ethereum. I love to track Ethereum. I love to buy Ethereum. I'll dollar cost average into Ethereum. My goal is to collect coins, full coins. I know some of us have to dollar cost average to get those coins. I can tell you, once you have one coin, you want two. Once you have two, you want four. Once you have four, you want five. And once you have five, you want 10. And I think 10 coins, again, is definitely the goal. And then move on from there. Ethereum did close today just under $4,500. So I think $44.85 at the time of making this video. Or at market close, so it didn't close, it still trades. And that's up 7.23% for the week. Now take a look at that versus Bitcoin, which, I also have Bitcoin and continue to buy Bitcoin any chance that I get, regardless of the high or the low, just to dollar cost average into that. And Bitcoin closed up just over 61,000. I think 61,250. Again, it didn't close. That's where it was at the market close. But that's up 2% for the week. So real quick, just to talk about percentages, it doesn't matter which equity you're investing in. I always say to look at the percentage gain. If you invest in stock X, let's say, not steel, but just call it stock X, for $100 and it goes up 10%, you made 10% or $10. If you invest $1,000, you made 10%, you made $100. If you invest $100,000, you make 10%, you make $10,000. So it's all a percentage. Having money in Ethereum, for me, makes me feel safer than some of the altcoins, and I do have some altcoins, but the majority of my money is in Ethereum. Okay, so there's the recap today. Those of us that are in the gaming stocks, I say just hold on because you know I believe it's a good bet, and I'm always going to tell you to bet on yourself, bet on your future. If you're investing, invest in yourself. Okay, the market will pay out over time, and diamond hands will get paid. So we just can't be caught up in the FUD, the fear, the uncertainty, the doubt, and things are good. So until next time, hope everybody's having a great day, has a safe night, and we'll see you on the next one.